Good afternoon to all students and viewers. So today's topic is trigonometrical identities. So firstly, what is the difference between the angle of elevation when we look the object from bottom to top? Bottom to top पे देखेंगे यहाँ object है, this is object, and when we look from this point C point to A point, this is known as angle of elevation, and this is angle of depression is when we look from top to bottom. So this is angle of depression, and this is known as horizontal axis. This is horizontal axis, and this is line of sight. ये जो है ना, ये वाली लाइन है, इसको बोलते हैं line of sight. Line of sight. So this is angle, and this angle and this angle are equal. Suppose this is theta angle and this will be theta angle because interior opposite angles. This is known interior opposite angles. Okay? So what is the question for number 1? We pass on towards, and a circus artist is climbing 20 meters long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole. So we consider this as a pole. Suppose ये pole है, and this is rope. Let's say this is a rope, and somebody is climbing from here. Let's say यहाँ से climbing it कर रहा है इसको. So this angle is find the height of the pole. You have to find the height of the pole. This is suppose we consider it as h. Suppose h is the height of the pole, and the angle by the angle made by the rope with the ground is 30 degrees. So this is 30 degrees, and so we have to find this height. That is, this is a perpendicular, and this is the height. Suppose this is a rope, and what is the is climbing 20 meters long rope. So this is given as 20 meters. So hypotenuse is given as 20 meters, and base, this is the base, and this is the perpendicular. So we'll use the Pythagoras theorem in it. So मतलब इसमें हमें actually क्या find करना है? tan 30. Firstly we will find out the tan 30 angle here. So what is the tan 30? Because tan 30 is perpendicular by base. So this is the perpendicular is how much? This is suppose angle triangle ABC. So here the AB is considered as perpendicular, and base is BC. So this is tan theta. Tan theta is always equal to P by B perpendicular by base. So what is the value of AB? This is h. We have considered is that h at the height of the height हमने consider किया. So this is base. So what is base? Base is, we do not know the base also. So हम base भी, इसको base भी हमने मान लेते हैं, b मान लेते हैं base को. So h is the height of the pole. So what is tan 30? Tan 30 को हम कैसे find कर सकते हैं? जैसे sin and cos, and हमें तो tan तक ही चाहिए, तो अभी हम लोग 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. So we will write it 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, and this is 1. So this will be 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, and 1 by 2 and 0. So this divided by this is how much? 0. This divided by this is how much? 1 by root 3, and this divided by this is 1, this is root 3, and this is infinity. So we have to find out, this is tan 30. So this is tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. So we will write it here 1 by root 3 here, and now we will find out, let's say h is equal to root 3b. H is equal to, this is going there, and cross multiplication. So sorry, b is equal to h into root 3. This is the first equation we will get here. And suppose we want to find out the sin 30 now. So sin 30 will be perpendicular, that is AB. This is perpendicular by h. H is hypotenuse AC. So what is the value of AB? AB is h, And what is the value of AC? AC is 20 meters given as. So sin 30 कितना होता है? Sin 30 होता है 1/2. So 1/2 is equal to h by 20. So when cross multiplication is there, so h is equal to 20 by 2. So this is equal to 10 meters. So h is equal to 10 meters. So we have to find out this, and this is 10 meters. So we have to find the table. From the table we found it. So this is over now. Next we want to towards